If your Instagram story restyle option not working, don't worry. Many users are facing the same problem. In this guide, I will show you a simple to fix it quickly. First, open your phone settings. Then go to apps and click app management. Find Instagram. Click Instagram and tap on storage use. Now click on clear cache only. Do not on clear data because it may log out your account. After clearing the cache, open the Play Store. And search for Instagram. If you see an update button, update the app to latest version. Once the update is complete, scroll down and join beta. Open Instagram again and check the Restyle feature. If it still doesn't work, go to your Instagram profile and tap 3 lines menu. Open settings, then go to help. And choose report a problem. Turn off shake to phone to report a problem. If needed, then tap report problem. Click include and continue. Write a short message like this. Then send a report and close all apps. Finally, reopen Instagram, upload photo, use story and try the restyle option again. In many cases, the features start working after this step. Wait few hours, then try. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.